Advice on how to overcome diabetes. If you or somebody you care about is facing a diagnosis of diabetes, knowledge is your most valuable tool. It is our sincere hope that the information found in this article will help you and your loved ones cope with diabetes. Not acting now could cause serious problems with the disease in the future. Handfuls of almonds can satiate you enough to slay your hunger spikes without disturbing your glucose levels. Almonds, and a lot of other nuts for that matter, are very high in protein and fiber, and they contain zero sugars. Always keep some almonds handy around the house so you always have them when you're stuck with the urge to snack. There are a lot of foods high in protein that you can eat, such as dairy, beans, and tofu. Try mixing it up in order to make your mouth interested. Many people have diabetes, type 1 or 2. This will reduce the stress and shame associated with a diagnosis and just make your life easier. Add walnuts to your salads for nutritional ingredients. Walnuts contain monosaturated fats. These fats are great at helping to control diabetes. In addition to being tasty and helpful in boosting energy levels, walnuts contain numerous healthy substances, including omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Sleeping well is especially important for diabetics, and if you experience problems sleeping, it can be helpful to be tested for sleep apnea. Sleep apnea can affect your health and your quality of life, but you can minimize the effects by getting treatment early. There are a ton of free ways to lose weight and battle diabetes, from jogging to doing workouts at a local park. Weights can be constructed out of bags filled with various heavy items from around your house, or try picking up cans from the pantry and working your arms with them. If you think you might have gestational diabetes, let your doctor know. If you do not take control of gestational diabetes, then you risk your own health and also the health of your baby. Most likely your doctor is going to prescribe you a specific medication to handle the issue during pregnancy, whilst advising you a more appropriate route to take. If you're a diabetic and you are having problems with your vision, be sure to talk with your doctor. Diabetes can cause an array of different types of eye problems, including glaucoma, cataracts, and diabetic retinopathy. It is critical that you address any vision issues as soon as they appear, because diabetic retinopathy can cause blindness. Be careful with what you eat if you're diabetic. You have to remember that different foods are going to have different effects on the level of glucose in your blood, which could make you sick. Large meals need larger insulin injections, and smaller meals need smaller injections. If you monitor what you eat, it is much easier to manage your glucose and live a healthy life with diabetes. This can increase the chances of your child developing diabetes either at birth or as he ages. Take care of your health now and avoid cursing your children with this serious condition. If you smoke and have diabetes, try quitting. In addition to increasing your risk of lung cancer, smoking can cause a spike in your blood sugar level if you have the ailment. Your doctor can help you to determine the best way to beat your nicotine addiction. Remind yourself consistently why you manage your diabetes. Remember that what motivates you, be it your family, friends, pets, or career. Keep your focus on your priorities and let those ideals encourage you towards diabetes management. If you're suffering from diabetes, a good thing to add to foods to spice it up is cinnamon. The natural sweetness inherent in certain foods is accentuated by cinnamon without the need for adding sugar that can increase levels of blood glucose. Research has shown different results when it comes to whether or not cinnamon decreases glucose levels. Even if it doesn't, it is still a good spice to use. Ask your doctor about sugar pills if you have hypoglycemia. You can get a prescription for glucose in tablet form. They are portable and small, providing an excellent way to get needed glucose into your system more quickly than consuming foods with sugar. Make your favorite comfort foods more diabetes friendly. The difficult thing related to a diagnosis of diabetes is the way it restricts your diet. Many people mistakenly think they have to stop eating many of their most loved foods. Others will continue to eat their favorite unhealthy foods. Look for alternatives to your favorite dishes if they are unhealthy. A lot of foods can be prepared in a way that is healthy for diabetics to eat. Information will always give you the best chance of winning any battle, and that's especially true when dealing with something as dangerous and as unpredictable as this disease. What you've just read here and heard here are a collection of tips that you can use to empower you when working hard to conquer the disease. Don't waste time. Get started today. Diabetes 1 or diabetes 2 is a serious life-threatening disease. Do not wait too long before you do something about it. See your doctor if you have any symptoms of the ailment that won't go away. If you have diabetes symptoms, for example, hunger, fatigue, dry mouth, frequent thirst, high blood sugar, urinating frequently, yeast infections, itchy skin, or blurred vision, and want to stop the disease from progressing, or you want to at least lessen its effects, you need to check out the site below. They are helping thousands of people learn more and get relief from diabetes, and you can too. Click the link in the description below. Take care.